Hi all of you. Yes, in the last video you have seen about that about Django. Recently I have started guys, okay? The day one, and also you can find that video is here guys. Better you guys can just access the playlist. In that playlist there is one called Django project guys, okay? So inside you will be able to see I have just upload two video. So this is like old video, just leave it and start from day one guys, okay? From here, this video, okay? So better you can go through and watch if you have missed previous video then, okay? Now today our next topic is we'll move to next step. So whatever we have done yesterday in the last video, let me just run that, okay guys, good. So there is one folder case Django tutorials. Inside we have the file called first project guys, okay? This is our project name. Now let's run this one guys. How to run the project guys? In the last session I have tell you that is simple command python manage.py run server. Once you run this one, your code will be, your project will be running guys. It will be start running and it will give you the localhost url and port number guys, okay? Come and paste it here, okay? So till now I have explained you yesterday guys, okay? Yesterday our main concept was how to create Django project guys, okay? Okay, means if you guys see here I have explained you several things, what, how you can start working with Django, okay? You have to install Python in your system. You should must have the Python guys, okay? Then next you have to install Django. Then also you need to aware about the some kind of editor such as the VS Code, PyCharm also. This all are the editor guys, okay? etc also. Now how you can install Django guys? There is a simple command pip install Django. This way you can install the Django guys, okay? Simple way. Now next is like how you can check whether Django is installed or not guys. Just use this command pip show Django. This command is used to check Django is installed in your system or not, okay? Now next is guys how to create Django project guys, understand? For that we have to use this command Django hyphen admin start project, then project name. This name should be your own name guys, okay? Sometimes you can use the e-commerce e-commerce system, then also maybe you can use the finance management system, yeah, any other system guys, okay? Like task management system, employee management system. So these things you can use. This should be your own name. You can put your standard name, but related to be the name should be like directory package, okay? Now next is like how to run Django project. Python manage.py run server. This is the command to run Django project guys, okay? The next was how to stop Django server guys. Control plus C. In your keyword just press the control plus C to stop the server. Then also next I have discussed with you how to run Django project in different port number guys, understand? How to run Django project into different port number. So this is the command python manage.py run server, then add the port number, okay guys? So now these things I have explained you yesterday very clearly. Our today concept is guys how can we create the Django application. How to create the application inside the Django project. Okay guys, just how to create Django, how to create the Django application. This is today concept guys, okay? Today we will explain guys, okay, this thing. So I will use the same project guys, okay? Whatever I have, same things, don't change. Whatever we have seen the last session, from here there only from there only I am continuing guys, okay? So I press Control C here, that means I stop the server, okay? I use cls command to clear the screen guys, okay? Now I will run on command python manage.py start start app, then app name, like check the temp app, okay? Temp, like you can check the main app, okay guys? Main app, okay? This is your own name guys, understand? This will become your own name, like this will become the application name of yours guys, okay? Then press the enter button. Now there will be one new folder will be created, guys. Okay, if you see, one new folder will be created, guys. Okay, so uh, it will come with some of the files name. Okay, so that's I will tell you. So this is the command to create the application, guys. Remember it, guys. This is a command is used to create the application. These things they will ask in interview, guys. Okay, okay. So now here, once you create the application, guys, let's open into the VS Code. Okay, I am using VS Code editor, guys. Okay, Visual Studio Code. Okay, now see, in the last session, guys, just we had one folder called project setup, first project, guys. Okay, so this is the project name, guys. Okay, now your application name is like main app. Inside the main app also coming some kinds of files and folder like admin.py file, apps.py file, models.py file, test.py file, and views.py file, guys. Okay, so you guys as of now don't worry about any file, just whatever I am explaining you, just proceed with that only. No need to worry about anything, guys. Okay, so now commit here, guys. Okay, so this is your folder structure, guys. Understand, this is your inside the main directory, guys. Okay, understand, these things your folder. Okay, I have in this is your directory name where you are working. This is your first project name as of your project name as the first. Okay, guys, see here in that there's one folder called first project, that is your project name. Then this is the main app, this is your application name, this is your database. Django will come default database called db.sqlite3, guys. Okay, then manage.py file. Understand, now let's go inside the cd first project, first project. Okay, dir. Okay, first project we have some files and folder. Understand, guys, don't worry, just I am pasting here just for your understanding. First project. Okay, inside first project we have these all are the files, guys. Understand, so remember one thing, guys, once you create the Django project, Django will give you default file. Okay, inside the one folder, inside your project folder, it will come up with the default files like asgi.py file, settings.py file, urls.py file, wsgi.py file. Understand, guys, now once you create the application, guys. Okay, once you create the application main app. Okay, this is your app name. Now let's go back, guys. cd main app. Okay, dir. Once you create the application, guys, Django also will come some default folder and files. Okay, this is, guys. Okay, once you create the application, in every application, guys, this is the by default will come. Django will give you admin.py file, apps.py files, models.py file, test.py file, and views.py file. Okay, guys, as of now, just you guys just aware, I am going to work with the views.py file. Okay, we will work with views.py file. Understand, guys, you don't worry about this all those file right now. Okay, extra file. Okay, just worry about this file. Okay, in app level, guys. Okay, app level. Okay, okay, and in project level, guys, you guys don't worry about any extra files. We will just we will work with, we will use the settings.py file. Okay, then urls.py file, guys. Okay, I will tell you how to use. Okay, okay, guys, understand. Now you, if you guys have some doubt what is the urls, guys. Okay, now let me tell you, come to our official website, guys, basic2top.in. Okay, this is the your main domain, guys. Okay, this is called domain. Okay, basic2top.in. Okay, okay, now urls, guys, see, if you can see the left corner, guys, below, basic2top.in slash code slash python. This is called urls, guys. Okay, this is called urls. Okay, so these things we can define into urls.py file, guys. Okay, understand, guys? This all those things we can define into urls.py file, means in this file. Okay, understand, guys? And this is the content, this is things coming from your database, what I have explained it here. Let's come inside the Django, guys. Okay, in Django side you can see what is Django. Django is a high level Python framework that facilitates rapid development in clean. Okay, rapid development, guys, means 90% of work they have done. Just you have to do only 5% of our work. Just you have to use their structure libraries. Okay, guys, these things. Then what is the key feature of Django? Just you can go through and learn theoretical part, guys. Okay, okay, guys. So now hope you have understood. Now today what I have done, guys. Today just now I have done one concept is called I have just explained you how to create Django application, guys. Okay, python manage.py start app name. This name should be any name, guys. Okay, guys, remember it. This name should be your own name, any name. Same way for project, guys, this name should be your any name, guys. Understand? Now let's go to the next, guys. Okay, I have explained the urls. What are the urls? I have explained you, guys. Okay, like routing, we're going to how you can call the function that way. Okay, I will tell you later. Okay, now settings, guys. Okay, once you create the application, guys, sorry, guys, once you create the application, you have to register into settings.py file, guys. Okay, step one, remember, guys, after creating the application, this application, guys, you have to register into settings.py file. Okay, settings.py file is available inside the project folder. This is your project folder, guys. Okay, first project come inside the settings.py file. Okay, settings.py file, there is a one section, guys, installed app. Understand, guys? In this section you have to register here your app name is called main app. Understand, guys? So these things you have to do. Just I have add the comment line here. Understand? This one you have to do here. Okay, now guys. Okay, hope now let's see server is running or not, guys. Okay, python manage.py run server. Let's check server is running or not. Okay, our Django server is still running, guys. Okay, our project is still running, that has no any problem at all. Okay, after doing this one, guys, uh, once you done this one, let's work with the main application, guys. Okay, so this is a step you have to do always, guys. Remember, after this session you can again go and watch. Okay, this one, then you have to come inside the application. Let's create one function, guys. Okay, df df home means home underscore view. Okay, add one parameter request. Okay, guys, request, then return http response, guys. Okay, this one you have to import, guys. Okay, let's import, hope you know the module concept, guys, from django.http import http response. Understand, guys? I want to pass this message. Understand? I want to pass this message to the front end. Okay, still is running, not at all, no any problem. So I have used view function, guys. Okay, like views.py file. Here you can write your Python logic, guys. Okay, inside the views.py file, inside the views.py file, here we can write the Python logic, guys. Okay, logic and code. Okay, it will take Django function. Okay, guys, this one we have to write. Okay, now let's come here, guys. Just I have wrote it will, I am returning the http response, guys. Okay, taking the response request and returning the HTTP response, hypertext transfer protocol response. Okay guys, welcome to home page of main app. Okay, now I want to run this function guys. Okay, how you can run this function? To running this function, come inside the project level urls.py file, just run this one guys. Add it here, path, okay, home slash comma home underscore views. Okay guys, I have read this one. Now let's run this one guys. See, one error is coming guys, name error, home is not defined. Understand guys, one error is coming called home is not defined. Okay guys, why this error is coming? This functions home view, this is one function we have defined inside the views.py file guys. Okay, inside the main app views.py file. Okay, so is, so they are not understanding what is this. Okay guys, that's why we have to import this one. So import from main app dot views import home underscore view. Understand guys, hope till now you guys have understood. Understand? So this view function, this home underscore view, this is one of the function name. This is available inside the main app. This means this folder. Inside this folder there is one file name called views.py file. The next is the function name called home view. That's why we have to map it guys. Understand now? Till now hope you have understood. Now our server is running or not? See, oh, okay, guys. There is some issues. What is the issue, guys? Actually, that is just a spelling issue, guys. Okay. STTP. What is that? Close it. STTP response. Understand, guys? This is the name, guys. Okay. Just I did it wrong. Okay. Remember it, guys. Okay. Okay. Now, see, server is running or not? Server is running, guys. Okay. Now, if you come hit here and you reload this one, it will raise the error, guys. Okay. See here. Page not found. Okay. So page not found means urls is not matching guys. Okay, if you come into home here, now this put this home here slash home. Understand guys? Now home page is coming. Whatever message you are passing, welcome to the home page of main app. Understand guys? Did you understand guys? If you want to do something here, just write here. So this is your first project guys, what you have run end to end. Understand guys, what you can do many things whatever you want. Okay,
Okay, bro.
we'll do here, we'll do here many things. Okay, so this is the like, so understand. Now if you want to pass something called here some a 10 plus 20. Okay, now example, just print this sum. I have explained the formatting as a string as f. We can add f and just put some this way. Understand guys? Okay, it will display the sum there. Understand guys? Understand these things? Hope you guys have understood this, all those things whatever I have explained you.
I understand, sir.
Okay, fine. So now this one you have done. Now if your requirement will come, see, by default is coming. Okay, now I want one more page guys. Okay, def about views. This is about page of main. Okay, so now what we have to do guys, after writing the function Django functions, we have to map with urls guys. Okay, so I am adding one more urls here. Okay, path about, and this is importing here guys. Okay, about. Understand guys? Now if you go here, this is the home. If you put the, if you change the urls guys, about, then it will come about page. Understand guys? So this is like your page, like how it's working here internally. Can you see how this is working? This is the like home page. Okay, easily you can see guys, home page there will be like nothing, directly you can come, it will take you through the home page. If you want by default without If you don't want to see this error, guys, 4 not 4 error means, listen, 4 not 4 means page not found. That means that urls is not found in that particular server. Okay, guys. So if you want, by default should become home page, leave as the blank here, blank as the nothing, just simply run. By default coming as the home page. Understand, guys? Did you understand? Hope you all have understood this concept, guys, whatever I have explained you till now.
Understand, sir.
Okay, fine, good to hear. So these things just you guys can understand. Once you understand this basic concept, guys, okay, then we will go very easily from next level. Okay, now requirement is coming. I want uh, okay, now I want here to write some HTML code here, guys. Understand? Like welcome to home page. Welcome will come some different color. Okay, so just I can do here also. See inside the view function here. Welcome. I want welcome to be the some different. So you can use the span tag directly here, guys. This is HTML tag, guys. Span. Now commit here. Here. Okay. Now let's add a style. Color is equal to red. Understand, guys? If you come reload, this is inside the home page only, right? Span color is equal to red. Okay. Come. Can you see, guys? Once I reload, then welcome is coming into the red color, by default coming on the like black color. Understand, guys? So all those things you can write your HTML file here also. But since Django is coming with MVT architecture, guys, okay, so it's not recommended to mix the HTML code and Python code at the same place in the same things, guys, okay. This is not recommended at all. I want here after welcome, I want here one BR tag. BR tag means line breaking, the break the new line, so it will go below. Can you see? Understand, guys? So as a Django developer, Django, I have explained you that last session, guys. Django is the MVT architecture. M means models, means we can write database logic there. Okay, logic here code. Okay, guys. Now V means we can write business logic here. Okay, guys, business logic. Okay, like Python code means code. Okay, logic. Okay, and T means template. Template means you can say, guys, HTML. Okay, okay, like we can write here HTML is called presentation layer. Okay, guys, means what customer can see, what end user can see. So we can write here like HTML code. HTML code. Understand, guys? So that's why we have to separate these things, guys. Okay, understand? So this is called presentation, guys, what customer can see. Okay, what internally happen, that is called business logic, means internally. Once you, let's assume you are going to register in this system, guys, okay, whatever these things is saying, whatever you are seeing, this all those things registration form, this is called presentation logic, guys, okay. These things we have to write inside the HTML page. Okay, after click the button, create button, whatever happening all that code you guys, that's we will discuss later, guys, okay. That's no worries. Just first try to understand the business. Okay, guys, like we business logic. Okay, so I have created the one two function, guys, okay, one two. Okay, I want to create one more function called def sum. Okay, guys, request. I want two number from the users, and I wanted to calculate, and I wanted to show the result, guys. Understand, guys? Two number. Okay, so now I need to call this function. Understand, guys? This function. So just I can come into the urls inside the project level urls, guys, here. Okay, so I will just call it here path. Understand, guys? And path inside the don't call this way, they directly call same way how you are calling. Okay, like what is that comma? Understand? So since this function takes two argument, guys, for request just you leave it here, take two argument a and b. Okay, so while calling the functions we have to pass two argument here, both should be the integer. We are integer a, integer colon a, integer colon b. Okay, so this value will come it here. Okay guys, now see it here guys, come it, come here. Sorry guys, now pass here slash. Okay, see, I passing wrong urls guys. Okay, again coming page not found, we have the sum int a int b. So pass here, call sum slash a value is 10 and b value is 20. Output will come 20 plus 10 is equal to 30. Did you understand guys? The sum of 20 and 10 is 30. Whatever message you are giving here, if you want this should be the bold, just you can use here b. B means bold guys. Here strong also slash b. Come and reload. Come and reload. Understand guys? 30 is as a result. This is the in the bold color. Okay. So these things you guys just practice guys. These things you guys just practice. Okay. Now if you guys are okay, then we will move to next concept. Yeah, you guys just want to practice this one guys. Just let me know. Do you guys okay? Then I will move to next. If you guys want to practice this one, then I will stop the session here only guys.
Sir, first we practice, then more.
Okay, all are you okay with that? Till now you
Yes,
guys
sir.
can do practice. Okay,
Yes.
since this
Yes.
is the recently I have started, that's why I want you guys to understand very clearly everything. Then we'll move next. Okay, so maximum 1 week it will be like this way only. I will explain you less and just we can do practice. Okay, whatever we are discussing today, again you do practice. If you guys have any issue, just you guys can go through on the YouTube channel, then just watch, rewatch, again rewatch, and try to understand everything guys. Okay. Okay guys, so in this video we are going to learn so I have just explain you about the how it's working, how to create the application and how to create the Django function, and how to what is Python is root, how to link urls and view. Okay, so these things I have just explained you guys. Okay, so just I'm pasting the code here inside the views.py, such as you do slash views.py. This is your code, and just I will paste the urls.py file here. Okay, what is that urls guys? Like mobile application. These are the project level, right? Urls like first project. What is the slash frame urls.py file? Okay. Then next was what guys? Okay. Next I have done one configuration also. This one already wrote the code inside the and just going to give you to use that code guys. Okay. That is called framework guys. Okay. First that is called means you will be basically you will be doing only 5% of the work. Understand? This configuration what I have done. So these things you guys can do and understand all those things. Then we can have discussion later in the next video guys. Next session we will meet.